What's up, Facebook? How is everybody doing today? Guys, we got Mortgage Monday coming to you live, volume 75. That's right, 75 episodes I've done since we started Mortgage Monday. So if you think about it, it's a little over a year and a half that I've been doing this live event, strictly designed to drop mortgage knowledge on everybody out there. Whether you're looking to buy a home, refinance a home, whether you're in the mortgage business, whether you're in the real estate business. My goal as your mortgage boss is to just provide that value to you. Of course, free of charge, and on what better platform than Facebook? Gotta love it, guys. So the big thing that I want to talk about today is being that 24/7 loan officer, being your go-to mortgage contact that you're going to use in the transaction of buying your house. The reason I bring this up today is because I've heard it probably 3 times within the last week. Working with a client, right? And of course, I work 7 days a week, guys. That means Saturday, that means Sunday, that means during the week. It doesn't stop after 5 p.m. I am actually in the office grinding out sometimes till 9, 10:30, 11 o'clock at night, because that's exactly what the mortgage business needs. That's what my clients need, and that's what somebody that's in this game, in this hustle, which they like to call it, has to be. You have to be 24/7. You know, I was working with a client of mine over the weekend on Saturday, and she received a counter offer from a real estate agent. So she hits me up and she's like, "Hey Chris, you know, can you crunch some numbers for me on this counter? Just want to know where I stand. I know it's only a few thousand off from what we originally talked about, but I just want to be sure everything lines up." I said, "No problem at all. Let me get that right over to you. Let me crunch these numbers." And I sent it right back, probably within minutes. She said, "Chris, I'm shocked." And I said, "Why? What's up? What's wrong? Did I mess up on the numbers? Is something going on?" She goes, "No. The fact that you got that back to me within less than an hour, and it's the weekend, it's Saturday, really just blows my mind out there, because I expected this on Monday." Well, let's think about that. If you're buying a home and you submitted an offer on Saturday, what are you opening yourself up to? You're opening yourself up to all the people that saw that house the beginning of the week, the people that are going to continue to see that house on Saturday and Sunday. Well, what if they already had that conversation with their loan officer? What if their pre-approval is already tight and they already sent that over? Then that person's going to get that house over you. So what good of a loan officer would I be if I wasn't readily available all the time to be able to get you what you need? And this is so huge, because a lot of people just think, "Oh, you know, my guy's not going to be there until Monday." Well, absolutely, that is the absolute wrong answer. And granted, there are some loan officers out there that don't work the weekends, and hey, more power to you. That may be a part of your grind, but it's not a part of my grind. I am always here for Saturdays and Sundays. I do more business on Saturdays and Sundays than I do sometimes the whole rest of the week, you know, which is crazy. So I definitely want people to know that I am your 24/7 loan officer. And you can always reach me for pre-approvals, or maybe it's just mortgage questions, right? Maybe you just want to find out, "Chris, what does my down payment have to be on that property? What is my interest rate going to be worked up to?" Or maybe you just have a question about income. "I'm not sure how you're going to calculate this," or "What are the numbers on this property or that property?" It can be any different thing. It doesn't matter. I am a phone call away, a text message away, an email away. It really doesn't matter, because I'm going to be that guy that answers the phone. Next topic, because that was definitely a good one. Somebody asked me today, "Chris, what states are you licensed in?" So me personally, as a loan officer, I'm licensed in about 10 states right now. Delaware, Pennsylvania, Maryland, New Jersey, Virginia, Florida. We have Louisiana, Arkansas, Colorado, and California. So those are all the states that I hold right now, which is great. The good thing about being a part of Guaranteed Rate, they are licensed in all 50 states. So even if you're looking to purchase a home or refinance your home in a state that I'm not licensed in, no worries. I can still be a part and be able to help out and add all of my value to your loan. And we do have other licensed loan officers within our branch that are going to be able to help you guys with that. So basically, if you live in the United States, I am able to help you on the mortgage one way or another. So that means not only am I 24/7, 365, it means that I am everywhere you want me to be. which is always a good thing. So a little housekeeping, guys. This week is very, very important. We are doing our Spring Fling networking event. You heard it right. This Wednesday at Firebirds in Glen Mills on 202, Pennsylvania Business First, which I am one of the co-hosts on, we're hosting our monthly networking event. This one is going to be huge, guys. We got new sponsors. We got a new venue. We have new appetizers, new food. It is going to be absolutely phenomenal. If you guys are in the area and looking for some great networking on Wednesday night, like I said, Pennsylvania Business First is hosting their new Wednesday networking event at Firebirds in Glen Mills, Chadsford area, right off of 202. We will be there in the front bar section from about 6 to 9 p.m. at night. I hope you guys can make it. It's definitely going to be an awesome networking event. We're expecting 60 people to show up. That's right, 60 people. I boosted this thing for the event up one side all the way down to the other because I knew people wanted to come out in spring. It's always good to get hype. I'm with a new company. I'm definitely hype about that. And there's a lot of other new sponsors that we have for Pennsylvania Business First as well. So it's definitely something that I want all of our normal networkers to come out and see. If you've been thinking or looking for a great networking event, this is something that you're definitely going to want to attend. We have great door prizes. Number one, we give away all different things. So if you're self-employed, if you're an entrepreneur, bring something that you have that relates to your business that you can give out as a gift. So we normally like to donate a bottle of wine, something like that, sometimes a gift card. Did you do this outside in case I set off the fire alarms again? Katie is starting to cook, so we are definitely worried about that. Yes, Catherine, this is done outside, as you can see by our landscape. All these farms in the background. And our dirty pool. But yeah, so I hope to see everybody. I hope to see everybody Wednesday. I'm going to try to have my whole team out there. So our whole Newark office from Guaranteed Rate should be showing up to this networking event. We're going to be there. We're going to discuss a little bit about our move, about our brand. So we hope to see everybody out there. But like I said, guys, if you're just looking for something to do, stop by, have a drink, enjoy an appetizer. Firebirds is fantastic. They're one of my favorite restaurants locally, and it's always a good time to get to meet new and friendly faces. So I hope to see everybody there. But like I said, guys, Mortgage Monday, I'm here for you. You know, this wouldn't be possible without you. I take everything I do from sun up to sundown and I throw it into Mortgage Monday. I want to provide as much value as humanly possible to be able to help those people buy a new house, refinance their current house. I've got a bunch of refinances going on right now. People call me up, say, hey, Chris, look, you know, we got a lot of debt after the holidays. Can you help us pay that off? Absolutely. We have plenty of programs for that. So it's all a matter of just asking the questions. If there's something that you want to ask me directly, send me a private message. Completely cool with that. Give me a call on my cell. Shoot me a text. I am the most easiest person to get a hold of, and I'm always here to help out. Excuse me. So again, thank you all for joining me tonight on Mortgage Monday. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you guys Wednesday for the networking event. Next Monday, I will have special guest Mr. Johnny Warren talking about a real estate mastermind convention that if you're in the real estate business and you're in the tri-state area, Delaware, Maryland, PA, New Jersey, that's 4 states. You guys want to show up to this. It's going to be in Philly. I'm going to drop more knowledge about that next Monday when I have Johnny on, and yours truly will be a guest speaker there as well. So I hope you guys have an awesome week. I know we just sprung these clocks forward. It's getting dark. It feels like it's 5, but it might be 7. I don't know. I'm out. I'm back to work. Have a good day, guys. Peace.